Embark on a flavorful voyage through time as we explore the rich and spirited history of rum raisins. Originating from the sun-soaked vineyards, grapes undergo a transformation into raisins, concentrating sweetness and flavor. The magic begins with dark, aromatic rum, steeped in history, meeting plump raisins. This marination process infuses the fruit with a complex flavor profile, melding the essence of the Caribbean's finest rums with the natural sweetness of raisins. Rum raisins transcend simple ingredients, becoming a versatile culinary delight. Whether folded into decadent desserts, enriching savory sauces, or savored as a standalone treat, they carry the legacy of their origins in every bite. Beyond their taste, rum raisins embody celebration and community, integral to festive cuisines and gatherings, connecting cultures and traditions across the seas. From ancient vineyards to modern-day kitchens, rum raisins are a testament to the enduring appeal of combining nature's bounty with human ingenuity. A simple yet profound blend that continues to captivate palates worldwide. Join us as we delve into more flavorful histories. Subscribe and embark on this delicious journey of discovery.